Hey guys, hope you are all fine, safe and healthy. In today's video, I am going to talk about the natural remedy for premature ejaculation. Premature ejaculation occurs when a man ejaculates sooner during sexual intercourse than he or his partner would like to. Premature ejaculation is a common problem which estimates that 1 out of 3 men say that they have experienced this problem at least once in their lifetime. As long as it happens infrequently, then it's not a cause for concern. However, you can be diagnosed with premature ejaculation if you always or nearly always ejaculate within 1 minute of penetration. And if you are unable to delay ejaculation during intercourse all or nearly all of the time, and if you feel distressed and frustrated and tend to avoid the sexual intimacy as a result. Both psychological and biological factors can play a role in premature ejaculation, although many men feel embarrassed talking about it. Premature ejaculation is a common and treatable condition. Medication, counseling, and sexual techniques that delay ejaculation or a combination of these can help improve sex for you and your partner. The main symptom of premature ejaculation is the inability to delay ejaculation for more than 1 minute after penetration. However, the problem might occur in all sexual situations, even during masturbation. Premature ejaculation can be classified into two categories. First one is primary, which is also known as lifelong premature ejaculation. It occurs all or nearly all of the time, beginning with your first sexual encounters. Next one is secondary, which is also known as acquired premature ejaculation. It develops after you have had previous sexual experiences without ejaculatory problems. Many men feel that they have the symptoms of premature ejaculation, but the symptoms don't meet the diagnostic criteria of premature ejaculation. Instead, these men might have the natural variable of premature ejaculation, which includes periods of rapid ejaculation as well as periods of normal ejaculation. The exact cause of premature ejaculation is not known, while it was once thought to be only psychological. But now, doctors know that the premature ejaculation involves a complex interaction of both psychological and biological factors. The psychological factors that might play a role includes early sexual experiences, sexual abuse, depression, poor body image, worrying about premature ejaculation, guilty feeling that increase your tendency to rush through sexual encounters. Other factors that might play a role includes erectile dysfunction, anxiety, and relationship problems, and a number of biological factors that might contribute in premature ejaculation, including abnormal hormonal levels, abnormal levels of brain chemicals called neurotransmitters, inflammation or infection of prostate or urethra, and inherited traits. Now let us talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of the problem of premature ejaculation. However, the preparation of this remedy is quite complex, but this remedy is very effective and it starts showing results from first use. You need 13 ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is 2 gram of dry ginger. Second ingredient is 2 gram of black turmeric. Third ingredient is 2 gram of bay leaf. Fourth ingredient is 2 gram of thorn apple seeds, which is also known as dhatura seeds. Fifth ingredient is 2 gram of musk, which is also known as kasturi. Sixth ingredient is 20 gram of black cardamom. Seventh ingredient is 2.5 gram of cloves. Eighth ingredient is 10 gram of long pepper. Ninth ingredient is 2.5 gram of Centaurea Behan Lin. 10th ingredient is 2.5 gram of Salvia Hematodes Lin. 11th ingredient is 2 gram of oak galls, and make sure that they do not have any hole. 12th ingredient is 2 gram of castoreum, and 13th ingredient is 10 gram of wax. The images of the ingredients is right on your screen, and you can also check the description for other names of the ingredients. And please make sure that this remedy is only for married persons. Unmarried persons should not use this remedy. To prepare the remedy, mix all the ingredients except wax and grind them properly to make a very fine powder. Do not use the ready-made powder of these herbs. You should make it by yourself. And also make sure to purchase the original and very good quality herbs from your trusted seller. Then add the mixture in warm liquid wax and mix it properly until it takes the form of an ointment. Means after the preparation of this remedy, it will looks like an ointment. To use this remedy, take approximately 1 pinch of this ointment and gently massage it on your penis for 30 to 45 seconds, at least 30 minutes before intercourse. Then clean your penis just before the intercourse with a wet cloth, and that cloth must be dipped in very hot water. Again I say, this remedy is only for married persons and unmarried persons. Please do not use this remedy. This remedy is the real treatment for weak nerves. It does not make your penis numb like other chemical products available in the market. This remedy starts showing results from the first usage. After 15 to 20 times of using this remedy, you will never need any treatment for premature ejaculation, because this remedy will make your nerves strong enough to give you the real pleasure of sex. And to increase the effects of this remedy, avoid eating spicy foods, oily foods, fried foods, carbonated drinks, alcohol, smoking and junk food. Alright guys, hope you like the remedy. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to share the experience of using this remedy in comment section. And for more natural and Ayurvedic remedies, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further videos.